Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to presentate about comparative degree. There are 4 people in our group. The first one is
My name is Andrena Ranzi Bonawija.
My name is Aditya Arlan Oktaviawan.
I'm Fadil Akbar Seridan.
And my name Rizky Pradana.
In comparison degree, there are 4 types of comparison. The first one is equal comparison. The second one is double comparison. The third one is positive degree, and the fourth one is superlative comparison.
Equal comparison. Equal comparison can be used to compare two things that consider the same or no different. There are two patterns for equal comparison. That is subject plus verb plus adjective or adverb plus s plus noun or pronoun. This pattern generally used in equal comparison. Use pronoun subject as I, you, they, we, he, she, it after us. Do not use pronoun object as me, him, her, them, us, because pronoun object cannot be used in equal comparison according to standard written English. Kemudian masuk ke contoh kalimat positif dan negatif. Untuk positive sentence ada 2 contoh, yaitu Mary is as clever as she, yang artinya Mary sama pintar dengan dia. Lalu yang kedua, my mother is as kind as they, yang artinya ibu saya sama baiknya dengan mereka. Lalu untuk negative sentence-nya harus menambahkan not setelah to be atau bisa menambahkan so sebelum adjektif. Dengan contoh yang pertama, Melly is not as smart as she, yang artinya Melly tidak sepintar dia. Lalu yang kedua, Honey is not as popular as they, artinya Honey tidak sepopuler mereka.
Okay, for the next one is double comparative. Double comparative are adjectives with more than one comparative marker. For example, the comparative word more and the comparative suffix er are both applied to the adjective loud in the phrase more louder in the sentence above. Like comparatives, superlative, most, est may also be doubled. Next. For the next one is structure sentence. There are 2 types of form. The first form is the more or less plus minus noun plus subjects plus verb, the more or less plus minus noun plus subject plus verb. For the second form, the plus comparative adjective plus s plus subjects plus verb, be, the plus comparative adjective plus subject plus verb plus minus infinitive of purpose. There are 2 examples from double comparative. The first one is the higher the mountain, the more difficult it is to climb. The second example, John is more taller than Bill than Peter. In these 2 examples, we can see that double comparative takes 2 comparative noun. There are in the example 1, there are the higher the mountain and then the more difficult. For the second example, John is more taller than Bill than Peter. In double comparative can also be used to compare more than 2 subjects. Next.
Next, comparative degree. Comparative degree can be used to compare two different things. Next. For example, aturan dan penggunaan ini pertama subjek, verb, tambah adjektif plus r plus then plus subject plus verb. Contohnya, my sister is shorter than I am. Kakak perempuan saya lebih pendek dari saya. Next, subject plus verb plus more plus adjective plus then plus subject plus verb. Contohnya, amusement park is more interesting than beach. Taman bermain itu lebih menarik dibanding pantai. Next. Kemudian struktur selanjutnya subject plus verb plus irregular compression plus then plus subject plus verb. Contoh, anger is worse than silence. Next.
Oke, selanjutnya ada superlative degree. Usually, superlative starts with the most or ending with est. Superlative degree include in comparative sentence, but this sentence is the third version in degrees of comparison, where this sentence belong to highest level comparison. Next. Aturan dan penggunaannya. Yang pertama, untuk kata sifat atau adjektif yang pendek, di mana hanya terdiri dari satu suku kata dengan rumus the plus adjektif plus est. Contohnya, hard menjadi hardest, small jadi smallest, fast jadi fastest. Nah, sementara untuk kata yang panjang atau lebih dari satu suku kata itu maksudnya tidak menggunakan akhiran est, melainkan menggunakan most. Rumusnya adalah the most plus adjective. Contohnya, beautiful menjadi the most beautiful. Careful menjadi most careful. Next. Aturan dan penggunaan selanjutnya, alfabet Y that ends in some word tends to est, so that the alphabet Y will disappear and not gonna be used anymore. If some word had syllables then ends with vowel and consonant, then the consonant will be used again. So there are going to be two consonants. For Y, the example is heavy to the heaviest and big to be the biggest. Untuk contohnya, example 1, Thomas is the most handsome man in the office. Example 2, be a pilot is my biggest dream in the world. Example 3, Robbie is the funniest boy in my class. Okay.
Next, that is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.